Here's our front-loading washing machine before we use the active for pet cleaner, and here's after. It is not 100%, but so much markedly better. I am pleased. My favorite things, it couldn't be easier to use. You just simply take these tablets, there's 24 of them, place them directly in the unit. It's designed to clean, deodorize, and refresh, attack those smells, hairs, the oils, the sweats, the detergent, the moisture, the lingering odors, all those things. So love that it was a 5-in-1 enzyme that was designed to break that up. To maintain front-loading, high-energy machines, you're really supposed to clean them once or twice a month, and it's just kind of a pain in the neck, and I love that it's a natural enzyme that really is designed to attack the residues and the fragrances just to make the cleaning so much easier. I would say it does not clean 100%, but it is so easy, and it does give that first pass at all of the mess, and then you can wipe it out yourself, where you really can't get in there with anything but a manual touch. So when these finish, I do take a Clorox wipe and a Q-tip, go ahead and tack any remaining residual, and I feel like that's about as good as you can do with the reset button for your washing machine, dissolving as much as possible and really taking the longevity of the machine and the cleanliness to the maximum level reasonable. So if you're looking for 100% clean, get your toothbrush out, but if you're looking for an easy solution that really does get the job, I'm super pleased with these. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.